Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Alright, this is Mark again, and sorry for the late video for this week because frankly speaking I have not been entering any positions. I think the market has been pretty flat and quite quiet also, and I've been watching a lot of World Cup, so haven't been looking actively a lot at the markets lah. Of course, I mean I do look at it, but it seems that the opportunities are very few, and you can see the spiders, right? It is quite flat lah. Okay, for the last 1 week or so. Well, yeah, it's a little bit up, but it's not doing anything. So just to update some of my positions, alright. I think next week we should have some opportunities. I will take a look if I see anything interesting. Okay, so just to update some of the positions that I have been looking at. Okay, so let me take a look at first this one. Okay, so the first one is UNH, right? I told you that I'm looking for excuse to get out of this trade, and for my entry of about $75, right? Moving upwards, I've exited around this $79.26. Okay, and you can see it corrected a little bit before it actually made a burst again. Okay, I did not expect this, but I have to follow my plan, alright? And a lot of people think trading is like, oh, you want to make all the gains that is available, and it's just not realistic lah, okay, because nobody can really actively predict the market. Alright, this is my belief and it has never changed lah. Okay, you can stack probabilities in your favor, but you will never know exactly what is going to happen to the market. So don't be blaming yourself or whatever it is if you see things that, oh, you sell already and it continues to go up even higher, because this is part and parcel of trading, and you need to get your mind right lah, to understand that this is part and parcel of trading, and this is how it is lah. Okay, whether you're doing business or whatever it is, that there is some nuances to it, and these are the things that you need to accept. I think most of the seasoned traders do not have any issue with this, like maybe you sell around here and you see the stock shooting up, that kind of thing. But I think most of the people having issues are the beginner traders, alright, those who have less than 2 years experience. Of course, it depends on the individual lah. But when I was an equity dealer, there were a lot of clients who actually called me, hey, I should have bought here at the low and sell here at the top, which is definitely, I think all of you should know, is unrealistic. And if you are new and looking at this video for the first time, this is something that you need to accept because the market is not something that you can control. Alright, when you want to control the market, that's where problems and losses start very heavily. So you need to be a little bit realistic in terms of your returns also. Okay, so UNH, I'm already out. Maybe if it pulls back more, I may take a look at this position again. I mean, take a look at this stock again, but at the moment not really interested in this stock anymore. As for USB, alright, my entry point was this blue line, and my stop loss is actually here, okay, below this low, and it has made more than 3 times already lah. And I'm actually still riding this because if you go to a weekly chart, this is what I like to do when I trail my positions. I count 3 bars backwards and I put a stop below here. So currently my stop for my last position, right, out of the 3 positions I take, 2 have been peeled off, so my last position is actually here. And I think this is around, let me take a look, what price is it? Okay, it's about $41.60, okay, and I want to maximize this position, so I'll try to let it ride as far as possible. Alright, so nothing much here. This is a very phenomenal trade, and these are the trades that I like, which is low risk and high probability, and there's definitely potential for it to keep running on. Right, this is what you want to do. Next one is FOSL. Okay, FOSL, I did not take any trades because there was no setup for my style of trading, so not doing much around this area here. So I'm going to take it off my watch list for the time being. Okay, this area is pretty flat and not doing much, so I'm going to take it out of the watch list. And American Express. Okay, American Express, my entry was here, stop loss was here, 2 positions out here, and you can see it's still chopping around, and I'm running the last position similar to the USB trade. Alright, riding this weekly bar here, so my stop is currently, let me just delete this, Okay, my stop is currently at break even because my entry price was quite high lah. In this case, this is a momentum play, and like I said in my last previous video, for momentum plays I like to reduce my position sizes because it is not very what we call high probability lah, because you're buying on momentum. So statistics have shown that buying breakouts are usually prone to failure lah. Okay, so for momentum plays, usually I reduce my position size by at least 1/4 to half lah. Okay, just to it's just my style lah of trading. Alright, so riding the last position at break even stop loss for American Express and Walmart. Okay, this is a stock I like a lot. Alright, you can see that based on the daily chart, it has been pulled back to the 786. So those of my students who bought the 786 will have made money here. Alright, but I like to look for a short-term momentum turn. Okay, so I'm still looking for what we call a short-term momentum turn via this stock, and yeah, and I'm looking for it to break some levels like on the 30-minute chart before I consider to get in. Alright, so no trade for this now as for now, and same for Citigroup. Alright, Citigroup, I'm also still looking for a break above this rate resistance zone. Obviously it's a shorter time frame resistance zone, it's not a daily resistance zone. Alright, so right now Citigroup is still showing some weakness on the pullback, so I'm not inclined to enter yet, but when the opportunity strikes, definitely I'll be into this position. Okay, so like I said, I'm having most likely having a course at the, I don't think it'll be end of June, but probably it'll be July, because I think been pretty busy lately and watching a lot of World Cup also at the same time. So let me take a look. Yeah, it'll probably be somewhere in July. So if you're interested, I know some of you have already emailed me. Okay, thanks for your email, but I will try my best to reply you guys as soon as I can. Alright, I put you in the waiting list for the course already. Generally, I don't like my class to be too big because my class is kind of technical. Alright, and it may require quite a lot of personal attention. So I like it maybe 12 or less, that would be the best, and the lesser the better for me. Alright, because I believe in giving real value. I don't like to just have 20-30 students and then most of you just go home don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, so I like my classes to be small because I think that will give the best possible value, and the quality of the education that you receive is the highest lah. Alright, so if you're interested, just sign up for the newsletter, alright, for the updates for my videos. And if you like to see the program details, just click program and you get all the the curriculum details in PDF format, and what you get, and some of my testimonials from my past students. And of course, if you are really interested, just get in touch, put your name, email address and message, and to prove that you're human, just enter this mathematical equation, and I'll put you in the waiting list, and I will just send you an email once the venue and the time and date is confirmed. Alright, so that's all. Next week I will see if there's better opportunities, and I'll just post a video once I see anything interesting. Alright, so once again, trade safe and take care.